Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a group on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the message icon. This is the main hub where all your conversations and group chats live, and it's where you'll begin the process of creating your new group. Once you tap that, you'll see a new screen appear. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find an option that says New Group or Community. Go ahead and tap on that. This is the gateway to setting up your group chat, whether it's for friends, family, or a work project. Viber gives you the flexibility to create groups for any purpose you need. After tapping on New Group or Community, you'll be taken to your contacts list. Here's where you'll search for the people you want to add to your group. You can scroll through your existing Viber contacts or use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific people. Simply tap on each person you want to include, and they'll be selected for your group. You can add as many members as you need, making it easy to bring everyone together in one conversation. Once you've selected all the people you want in your group, you'll notice a right arrow appear on the screen. Tap on that arrow to proceed to the next step. This moves you forward in the setup process and gets you closer to finalizing your group. Now, you'll be prompted to input a name for your group. This is an important step because the group name helps everyone identify what the chat is about at a glance. Type in something descriptive or fun that represents the purpose of your group. For example, you might name it Family Chat, Weekend Plans, or Project Team depending on who's in it and why you created it. This name will appear at the top of the group chat for all members to see. After you've entered your group name, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a check icon there. Tap on that check icon to finalize and create your group. Once you do this, your group will be created instantly and all the members you selected will be added. They'll receive a notification that they've been added to the new group and you can start chatting right away. And that's it. You've successfully created a group on Viber and brought everyone together in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.